Hey, what's up my friend? This is Anders Larsson and welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about how to choose the best skill to learn. And this is connected to the previous video, which was, should you really ask what is the best business to start? And I'm really questioning that mindset, and it really makes sense to me to actually start with a skill before you start an online business. I really want to thank you guys for taking the time to listen to what I want to share in this video. And I really hope that this video will be helpful to you, because chances are that you are here because you want to learn how to start your online business and maybe what kind of business you want to branch out from. Before we go into today's video, I want to share my story, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. So I am a guy from Sweden, currently living in Stockholm, and this began more than 10 years ago. I was broke as a joke. I also had big studio loans, and despite that, my education wasn't high enough to get a high-paying job. I was very interested in programming, but because I didn't have any university degree, they chose someone else for that job. I decided to change my future, and that decision started over 10 years ago. I knew the potential being connected globally, so I went out looking for a solution in online marketing forums. And of course I got inspired trying different methods, different ideas. But all this led to one failure after another, because I had no plan, I had no blueprint, I had nobody to teach me. I didn't produce any value, and I know that still today there are so many people that need to change their mindset. They are stuck in this loop because everything they try takes time. Now, one failure after another led to depression. I still had hope. I still wanted that future, and seeing my two brothers doing well, having high-paying jobs, having a family with big houses and cars, I couldn't find any steady job. For them, things have been much easier, but I felt that everything was against me and I felt like a big failure. But I have one strength, and that is to never give up. So I continued on and tried again, and this was in the new year 2018. I created a sales funnel and lost $500 in paid traffic selling a ClickBank piano course, and the piano course was low ticket, and that was a big mistake. But I was just following what I picked up from different video marketers. From all that $500 that I spent, I got no sale at all. Most likely I got scammed because I couldn't see any engagement. They didn't even open my emails. So that led to another depression. And in my frustration, I went out on YouTube and asked online marketers, what am I doing wrong? Why is this so hard? Why can't I make any money? I got one response from a woman that is now my guide and sponsor. And she dedicated a whole video about my journey. And she taught me some things that just blow my mind. I learned that the ClickBank piano course was a big mistake because it was low ticket. All that work I put in, creating videos, promoting the piano course, spending so much money on paid traffic, if I had got any sales, there was just no way that commission could cover the money that I spend in traffic. So she taught me that I need high ticket. So she talked about having a high ticket system, and it really makes sense because you put approximately the same work in a low ticket product that you do for a high ticket product. And that is the reason why you have to position yourself in a high ticket system. And the high ticket system that I'm using is Legendary Marketer, and that system has been mind-blowing. All the training is created by successful people. I think the best thing is that once you send your traffic to Legendary, you will have coaches working for you, selling the high ticket products to your leads. The only thing you have to do is send traffic to the system, and that system will take care of closing the sales. So high ticket is actually the key to success. Don't use low ticket products. You will just waste your time promoting that. Now, my future calling is working as an online marketing coach, and I help people that partner up with me. Anyway, that was my story, and let's dive into today's topic, which is how to choose the best skill to learn. And later on, I'm going to show you my conclusion, what kind of business that really makes sense to start. So why just not choose a business and build your skill based on that? That is what I'm gonna explain to you in this video, and why I don't recommend doing that. So I'm gonna talk about a skill that you use as a fundament that can be applied in any kind of online business, and a skill that will be your job that you focus almost entirely on. And that type of skill will make things a little bit clearer on how you want to choose your business. Alright, all businesses need traffic, an audience, people coming to your website. Alright, the next thing that a business need is some kind of content or value, and that content and value will guide people to the call to action, the CTA. The call to action is something that should be very clear on what is the next step to take based on the content or value. And with content and value, we talk about the message, how important the message is. And the message is, for example, inspiring someone, empowering someone, giving someone a reason for buying the product or joining a newsletter, for example. The call to action can be buy a product. It can be sign up to a newsletter. The call to action could also be sending someone to another site. So these three components dominate pretty much any kind of business. Now let's figure out why these components are so important. To explain this, I want to talk about organic traffic and paid traffic. So if you publish content on your blog, on your Facebook page, on your YouTube page, you eventually get organic traffic. And the organic traffic is free traffic from a search engine that decided to give attention to your content. And this is what we call indexing. Now, organic traffic can take a very long time. So instead you can use paid traffic and you get your traffic instantly to your content. Now, what these three components has in common is quality. So let's make this a little bit more clear. All businesses need quality traffic, quality content or value, and the product, newsletter, and the link needs to be high quality. You do not make any money if people are not engaging in what you have to share. However, if you share content that people likes, then you warm your audience up and they take the action that you want them to take. Now, pay attention to what I'm about to tell you now. Never ever think that your content has to be perfect. What? But you said I needed quality content. Yes, that is true. What I really mean, of course, is the quality that comes automatically when you improve your skill. So don't start by thinking, I need to learn this and I need to learn that. Please, please, please don't do that. You begin, produce value immediately and improve your skill based on that. I just really needed you to hear that, because so many people struggle with creating content thinking it needs to be perfect. It really doesn't. Anyway, produce quality content, be real, be authentic. Alright, I want to tell you something about quality content that most people don't pay attention to regarding paid traffic. You invest a lot of money to send traffic to your website. If you don't give your content any love, then you are just throwing away your money, because no one is going to buy from you, no one is going to take any action, and that is why you need quality content. Something for people to dig into. And there is so many online marketers talking about just publish your content and invest in traffic and you will get leads and then you will get sales. It's not true. You need to give your content and value love, inspire people, empower people. Now, if you have high quality content, don't you think people will link to it, recommend it, and that way you get more organic traffic? Just a thought. Alright, so a clear message, a clear call to action. in your value or content. So let's talk about the skill, which is produce quality content. It can't be more simple. And this is the most important skill. Notice also that the content or value is in your product, in your newsletter, and of course the site that you link to. So content is pretty much your business. So the better the content, the less money you throw away with paid traffic, and the more organic traffic you receive. From all this, what really makes sense to start as a business? A business that you can branch out from. Alright, let's think. A business where you produce 99% content and 1 to 10% technical stuff. With 1 to 10% technical, I mean in the beginning you will always have more technical care in your business, but as your skill grow, you learn so much that you pretty much can create value on the fly. So technical stuff can be answering emails, support, graphics, design, fixing your sales funnel, uploading videos, etc. So choose a business that has the least amount of technical stuff. What kind of business fit this description? Yes, you are right. Affiliate marketing, of course. This is a perfect platform to start from and to branch out from. And it is perfect for new people that has no experience in online marketing. With affiliate marketing, you really don't need your own sales funnel to begin with. If the program or the system have their own sales funnel, then the only thing you need to do is send traffic to that sales funnel. And this is exactly what the system that I am using provide. For me, it makes really sense as a new guy that want to try online marketing. I really want things to be simple and dive into the content production as fast as possible. But having your own sales funnel is really recommended, and as soon as you get momentum and you start to earn money, I really recommend that you start planning your own sales funnel. This way you can build your own brand and then become independent of the program or the system that you use. It also gives you the ability to better branch out because you have your own brand. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. I'm not sure how you feel about what I just shared. Maybe you are still a little bit uncertain how to get started. So I'm just throwing out a question to you. Do you feel that you need to learn more? The thing about this is a little bit upsetting for me because I'm thinking back all the time that I spent not feeling ready, just reading more and more, and it could take days, it could take weeks, even months, and I learned more stuff and I got more distracted. The thing is that you will really never feel ready, and you will always feel that you don't know enough. And that is until you decided, you know what, I'm gonna start small. I'm gonna start just knowing a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the first step. And then you take the first step and you think, wow, this was a real eye-opener. Alright, I know the first step, I learned something amazing, and I'm gonna create a video about it and share it to the world. So create my YouTube channel, okay, and then on to the second step. Do you see how simple it is? You don't know what is really around the corner of each step if you don't take the step. So make a decision, invest in yourself, take action, and trust the process, because the steps are designed to bring you success. Decide to follow through and hone your skills. And this is why I created this video today, letting you have an overview of what skill is really important in your business. What is really important to think about is where you are coming from. Like, you know what? I'm tired of working 10 plus hours every day at my job that I hate. I'm exhausted and I want to be more present in my family, for my kids. I want a better future, a better retirement. I'm gonna prove to myself that I can become a leader. I made the decision to start an online business. I found the steps and I found the guidance. I have a blueprint and I have a plan, and I can teach you exactly how to do it. Because what I do, you can do it too. Alright, so if you are really interested in this, then click the link in the description And there you will have access to my free online marketing video training, as well as the opportunity to sign up to Legendary Marketer, which is the system that I'm using that is allowing me to make money online. Decide to partner up with me and I will have your back. And if you do, then make sure to shoot me an email so that we can get started and I can help you out with the first steps. So thank you for watching this video. Oh, I forgot. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the time you took to watch my video, and I really hope you liked it. Have an awesome day or night wherever you are. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.